What is going on, guys? Custom RC Mods here. I'm back for day 3 of the FliteTest Build Extravaganza. Today we're going to be building the long-awaited FT Viggen, probably the most anticipated plane on this channel. I've gotten numerous requests. I've been so anxious to fly an EDF that's not my own. I mean, the Concorde has been really great, but I've been really dying to try out this Viggen, and I've heard a lot of good things about it. So I printed out the plans. We've got 4 sheets of foam right here ready to be cut out, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So I've got my box of electronics. I don't have to dig through it because the EDF unit's right on the top, and this is the same one directly out of the Concorde, and you can see that it does have a bunch of glue and stuff all over it that I'm going to have to peel off, and I probably won't need this long of an extension because it's not 6.5 feet long like the Concorde was. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started on the build. I'm so excited to get this thing done, and hopefully I can get it done today. I'm crossing my fingers, but I will get back to you guys when I'm done building it. Alright guys, so we're about halfway through the build. I thought I'd give you guys an update. It's been a few hours so far, and I've been taking things slow, trying to do my best job possible on this plane, which I think is coming along very nicely. I've got all my electronics installed for the most part. We've got both my servos and the EDF with the thrust tube installed, so I'd say that the progress is looking really good. Now, a few things I want to mention about this plane as of yet. First off, I just soldered up these wires running from the EDF up to the ESC right here. I previously had a super long 3-foot extension on the battery wire for the Concorde, if you remember that. And so I just resoldered it. I have not tested it yet, so hopefully it works. Hopefully the direction is correct, because like I said, I didn't put any bullets on this thing, so it will take about 20 minutes to resolder if I get it wrong. So let's hope it starts up. Perfect. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead. Looks like we've got both servos going just great. That's to be expected, and let's see if this thing works. Oh yeah, that's some power right there, folks. I'm really happy that it started turning the right way the first time. Usually that doesn't happen that way, so really lucky for that. I'm happy that this build is going great. I'll keep you guys updated as things go along. Alright, so I just completed the Viggen. It's about 5 o'clock at night, which is really good compared to my other builds, so I might be able to Maiden it tonight. But it's a really nice plane. I love how it looks. And compared to my other Concorde, which let's actually go ahead and bring in here for reference, that was powered by the same exact power pack. This one's 6 feet tall, as tall as I am. And yeah, so hopefully this thing's going to have more power. But I'm really hopeful for this thing. The build quality, you know, it turned out really good. I think it's very strong. However, I didn't really build it as clean as I hoped I would, which is kind of expected. But it's a really advanced build, and I really thought I handled it pretty well. So it's all plugged in right now, and the CG's all good. It's really got some power under there, and everything else is really good. So let's go ahead and head out for a Maiden. Alright, so we're out here for the Maiden of the FT Viggen. There's not much to say other than just to put it up in the sky. We've got about a 15-mile-per-hour breeze. Hopefully it works. I'm really hoping it works. Oh, it flies. Oh, this thing is very relaxing to fly. It's a little bit tail heavy, I can feel that. We're just trying to keep it low on the throttle. It's a little bit touchy right now, even. It's surprising because I had a lot of throws on the Concorde, but this thing barely needs anything, and it goes crazy. This thing is very relaxing to fly. Wow, they were not lying. See if we can do a snap roll here. Not bad, not bad. It's a little bit windy. This thing does not like it, but either way, at least it's flying, right? And this thing does pick up speed. I've been cruising at like half throttle for the most part right now, which is really nice. right now. And this thing can do loops like nothing. That's surprising for such a long and small wing jet. This thing, wow, I'm so surprised. I thought I would like this thing just from my inclination to like EDFs from the Concorde. I'm really surprised how smooth this thing is, even in this wind. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and make an approach here. Or a landing. Do a little go around action. For my landing here, it can high up like crazy. Almost lost it there with the wind. But here we go. Landing. Perfect. I love this thing. We're gonna have to do some more stuff with it while it's not so windy, but I really love it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. Please comment down below what I should do next, and I'll see you guys later.